This vibe, funny story. I'm stuck in this thing. I have like 20,000 shares in my smallest account where I trade all the shit stocks. It's an Interactive Brokers account and I can't sell it. It's restricted. Interactive Brokers thinks I'm affiliated with a company and they restricted trading it. I have to hold it for at least 3 months. I can't fucking believe it. So I need email to support, like what the fuck is going on? I'm not affiliated with this stock. I'm nothing, it's just a fucking trade. Oh man, can't believe it. It's just so stupid. How the hell why do they think I'm affiliated with this stock? I don't know. Let's see what they answer. I emailed them like an hour ago. Yeah, exactly. Like, what the fuck? I'm not affiliated with any stock or any companies. They're all trades. They're all tickers. Yeah, but that's the thing. It doesn't matter if I email support or call the desk because I'm restricted. I'm not allowed to trade it at all. I need to be holding it for at least 3 months. That's what they said. So I don't think it's gonna happen. Or maybe it will. Maybe the desk is clueless and they will close it for me. Yeah, maybe I'll call the trading desk. See what. Maybe they'll just close it to me for me and they don't realize I'm not even allowed to, move the position. Yeah, I've heard a lot of stories about, stocks, people get stuck in shorts and they pay these crazy borrow fees. Just, I can't believe it. CETC, the ticker doesn't exist anymore. Like, what happened with it? I recognize the name. Like, what happens to these guys? I mean, you should be able to cover, eventually, right? Because I've heard, stories where people get stuck in these halted stocks short for multiple months. But the CETC, I can't even find the ticker. What's going on there? Okay, Beyond Meat got rejected at the VWAP so far. We'll see what happens later. Well, if it's on the pink sheets, you should be able to cover your shares, right? CETC, when was that? Let's see here. Okay, I read some of that article. I need to take a break. Very interesting. So the stock doesn't exist, but they're still paying a short interest. Whoa, tough situation. Thank God he didn't really have a big position. He only had, I don't remember the share amount, but it's only like a $40,000 position. So he's paying like $700 per month, which is, it's not really a big deal. I mean, some of the big traders, they could trade, they could pay, 10 times that much. Oh, let's see here. What's going on? Oh, okay, he got out. Oh, it's this HGLI. Oh, but he was in it for like 2 years. Am I right? Wow, so he paid 17,000 in short loan payments. Oh my God, in like 2 year period. My God, so stupid. Yeah, but he was stuck in it for 2 years. Oh my God, imagine that. Imagine the stress. It's not even about the money, but the stress because, once you've been stuck in it for a few months, you really don't know, or 6 months or a year, you don't know if you're gonna be stuck in it for the rest of your life, right? You just pay $700 for the rest of your life? I mean, what the fuck? Crazy stuff. I mean, shorting is so hard on so many levels. It's such a tough game. That's why I'm waiting for these really, really, exceptional situations like KRTX or CLV or, RAD. And even then it's hard. It's shopping, it's stopped out, take some losses before you nail it, etc., etc. It's just so hard. Hard. It's a very tough business. And the borrow fees and short interest and all of these things, like the overnight fees are crazy on some of those locates, and it's just crazy hard. That's why I love, shorting stuff like Tesla and Bin. Easy to borrow, they're high priced, they're liquid, they're not gonna get delisted overnight, right? These are real companies, just with stretch valuations, stretch charts, but they're not gonna go anywhere. You're not gonna get stuck in it.